Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Snapchat account private. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Snapchat, click on your profile icon on the top left, then click on the settings cog on the top right, then scroll down until you see privacy control. So you want to go on contact me and just make sure that's set as friends. Then you want to go to comment settings, make sure that's set up as manually approve. You can also go on see me and find friends and just make sure this tick is taken off on there. Then you can go on activity indicator and again just make sure that's switched off as well. And you can also go on see my location. You want to turn ghost mode on. And then obviously you'll have multiple options on there and obviously select until turned off. And that's how you can make your Snapchat account private. Thanks for watching.